on Tucker time, we're making chalkboard slime. All you need is bowl, measuring cup and a spoon, glue, starch, water, chalkboard paint, and chalkboard pens. First, measure out a half a cup of glue.
That should be good. Put the glue down.
It looks like snow. Oh, wait a minute. Can we just take a second to appreciate the accuracy of that spoon toss? Good aim, Mom. Now measure out a half a cup of water. Mix it into the glue. Do I whisk it?
Just slowly.
I'm whisking it. I'm stirring. Stirring more than I like. Add the glue. Add the glue. Add your chalkboard paint to your glue and water mixture. Mix it good. We found this paint at the Dollar Tree. I used about half the bottle of paint. When it's all mixed, it's time for the starch. Add a quarter cup of starch to your mixture.
Okay, are you okay to pour that?
Precise. Perfect. Slowly add it a little at a time. We don't even know if this is gonna work. Oh, that slime got it.
Ooh.
Ew, looks like venom.
It looks like venom.
Did you know that slime making is actually science? The glue in the slime is made out of long chains of molecules. These chains slide past each other easily. This is what keeps the glue flowing. When you add a slime activator like starch, a chemical reaction happens. The glue and the starch form the chemical bond. The molecules will change position and cross-link together. Cross-linking changes the viscosity or flow of a new substance. Because of the tangled up molecules, now instead of flowing, it's gloopy. Yeah, I don't want it sticky. I don't like sticky slime. The more activator you add, the thicker the slime gets. We used more than a half a cup to get it where we like it. And we just created a new substance, slime. I think it's gonna stain my hands.
No, it's not. Just keep mixing.
Here's a slime making tip. Don't put your hands in the slime until it's ready. Otherwise, you have a sticky mess all over your hands. We need more starch. Remember, adding more starch makes it less sticky. You know your slime is done when it pulls away from the bowl and it forms into a ball. So you get this mess. The jiggly mess. Let's try out these markers. be why my mom hates slime. Make sure to wear something washable.
Pretty. See, cool. Look what we did. Look at that.
And when you're done, just roll it up and start again. Ah! You could do it multiple times. Chalkboard slime is my new favorite. You can make art with it. Yay! Or blow gigantic slime bubbles. How did I do? I hope you liked my video on Chalkboard Slime. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell. Follow me on social media and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! Thanks for watching Tucker Time.
You got more on you?
Yeah.
Oh.